Hello, hi sir. I am Srikanth. This is Thirumalai Vasan. I am Aditya Institute of Technology, Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. My project is emergency oxygen ventilator, sir. This sensor is sensing to heartbeat and SpO2 level to monitor to ESP32 to LCD display. In case SpO2 level is less than 70, to communicate to Arduino Uno to start the servo motor to pump the abu back to this pipe, so to additional air supplies. This tube is measured to pumping to pressure levels, sir. In case to more than 2 minutes to no return to oxygen level to nearby hospital send to SO2 levels, SO2 messages, SOS messages, sir. That's all.